Does high or low amounts of a quality oil affect the body? Krenek wants to show that with his study, and he's done very well with a randomized controlled trial design, and he gets two groups. So one group is going to be on a whole food plant-based diet, very healthy, and high amounts of oil that slowly comes down to lower amounts of oil. From there, there's a group that's on the same whole food plant-based diet, but low to high. So one group starts out high, they get 4 weeks of cooking, they have a 1 week washout, then they do 4 weeks of low. 4 weeks of low is the other group with a 1 week washout, and then 4 weeks of high. And what did they find out? That's what we want to know, right? The design is pretty tight, but what did they find out? What we can see is that in the group that had a high amount of oil, even though it's extra virgin olive oil, they had higher glucose, they had higher cholesterol, they had higher LDL-C compared to the group that was low. Overall, the group that had lower amounts of oil, even though it's a high quality oil, they did much better than the group that was high. This is really important to note. Extra oil does not help.